A few things. The drop is in 2 weeks. March 2nd is the date. That is a Saturday. The website is going live at 8 p.m. on Saturday when I drop my video. I will be at program during the day. I will have more details on a time with the special collaboration shirts for program. So those will be there and I will be there. And if you'd like to buy one of those shirts and come meet me, that's where I will be. Also, I need you guys to watch this video until the end because there's a very important update and something that I bought that I'm going to be using for future projects. And those future projects might not necessarily be monetizable for copyright reasons, because I want to start making more just like straight up skate edits, and I want to be able to use the music that I want to use without having to only use like shitty royalty-free music that certain things offer. Like I can't really work with that. So I need like full creativity. So I mean, the best way to support this, I don't want to say channel, but to support what I'm doing is buy a shirt, support Slammin', because that's where this whole thing is going. That's what I want to be doing. I'm not really trying to necessarily be, man, like the YouTube channel is a very small fraction of what all of this is. That's just the platform where I'm able to showcase, and that's the tool and the vehicle to which I can deliver content to you guys for what I am doing. We're not looking to go viral. We're not looking to like clout chase any type of YouTube trend or whatever. This is strictly skating. That's what I want to do. That's why I started doing this. In the beginning, I thought you had to do it a certain way in order to gain traction on this platform. Eventually learning that that isn't the case, and that if you just do what you want to do, people are going to back it and people are going to support it if you're just yourself. Realistically, like that's where I'm going. That's what I want to be doing, and you guys have been supportive since the beginning, and I really appreciate that. But yeah, like I said, so it's important to watch the videos all the way through because there is updates and things I'm going to be talking about in each video that's going to be pertaining to the projects that I'm going to be working on. So I'm like setting some goals here. I want to have a full length coming out this summer, and not like a 30-minute full length, maybe 20 minutes max. Just some kind of edit that encompasses and embodies and like showcases what Slammin' really is. That's the goal. We're getting like a full established team now, so it's all going super well, and I want to thank you guys for all the support. But yeah, it's just important to like pay attention and watch for the details in the videos, because that's where I'm going to be giving you guys updates on what's going on and what I'm exactly doing. If you haven't noticed, I've kind of steered away from the average type of title on YouTube or content, I guess, because I mean, I just upload raw skating now, and that's kind of what I want to be doing. I don't really want to be doing anything else. That's not like, that shit's just way too, that's not even in my like realm. That's not what I want to be doing. I'm trying to build like a little thing here, a small little empire here with what I'm doing, as opposed to just being another YouTuber. If you like getting your dick sucked, subscribe to this channel. Look at this bitch. Who's that?
It's me, not John.
Hey, Dan. Cool shirt. Haley, this is for you.
Yes. Oh, thank you. This is me expressing my gratitude.
You're
Wow,
welcome.
this is sick.
Welcome.
Thanks, man.
You're welcome.
Yes, never soft, always hard.
Not that terrible of an angle, though. God, that was awful.
Hey, nice shirt.
Oh, God, how many times are you going to run that joke? You have like 9 clips of you saying, nice shirt. God damn. redo that shit.
We're filming a new full length for BLUETILE, and Nike is sponsoring the video. So they're sending everyone on the team to film in Nikes because they're sponsoring the video. So everyone's going to be skating in Nikes in the entire video. So I just got a box of Nikes sent to me. I've only skated one pair of Nikes, and I typically can't skate Nikes because their shoes are too narrow. But they have like 2 models that I know of that are wide enough for my foot, and that is the Blazers and the Team Editions, which I got 2 pairs of Team Editions. So I'm stoked. I never ever skate Nikes, so this is gonna be interesting.
Let's go, bitch. Let's see your skills. What else can I be better than you at? All right. Now I feel. I'll let you get 6 to my 1, bro.
Oh, we got him. Look at it.
It's 10 and 2.
Oh!
I fucked up the last one, my bad. Get it, you got it right here. Yeah, you got it right here, dude.
You got it right here,
dude. Come on. You got it every try.
You got it, dude.
Like, if he just commits, dude. If he just commits.
Look at this. This is crazy. They're wearing the same fucking thing. We just got a package. I posted something on my story the other day that I purchased. If you saw that, then you know, but I'm very excited about this because this means big things coming in the summer. We're gonna open this box. I'm gonna show you guys what this is. Oh my God, I'm so excited about this shit. I went on a little financial adventure and purchased myself said camera. Oh man, the videos are gonna be fire. And we're filming for a full length for Slammin'. That's why I bought this. Fucking so goddamn excited. This is so fucking sick!
Is it everything you hoped for and more?
Oh my God. This is
Wow, that looks brand new.
fucking amazing.
The mic and
it said it hasn't
everything?
really been used like a lot.
Damn.
Dude. Oh my fucking God, dude. Oh my God. Dude, the fucking goddamn colors, everything. Oh my God.
Okay, I'm literally vlogging with this big ass camera. This is so fucking weird talking to a big ass camera. Bubble in my throat. Yeah, this is weird. This thing's fucking huge. But I'm gonna test it out at Cherry. I'm gonna film Dan and I'm just gonna film everyone else skating. Cause I wanna I gotta learn the colors and I gotta learn the settings because this camera can be really funny with the settings. Fucking worst is, I hate Ziggy. You're so much better. I broke my shoelace.
It's Saturday. Like, what was I thinking? Why would I ever come to this park on Saturday? I can't even tie that. So I guess I'm just gonna roll my ankle later. Sick. Let's go. Let's leave. I'm ready to go. Let's go. Bye. Let's go. Let's get out of here.
If you like getting your dick sucked, subscribe to this channel.